So, welcome everybody. Today I will be showing you golden leaf ring cock, excuse me. And this will also be the first time I'm trying out to do a voiceover, and just to see how it looks and how it feels. So yeah, welcome. So the first thing we do, this is a sculpture which is already finished. It has been in the oven and it is done. The process of how I made this, I'm sure, is somewhere in the older videos. And the first step to making something gold is to apply a thin layer of some base coating. And the first layer of base coating I always combine with water, so it sips a bit better into the sculpture. You wait for about an hour and then I paint it again with another layer, and I do this up to 3 layers. What's also very nice about this base coating is that it fills up spaces, so if you have some uneven surfaces or some cracks or whatever you want to cover up, you can do this with the base. The next level, or the next step, is to apply the actual gold. And what you see me do here is apply it through or via a piece of baking paper. This is not ideal. Usually you also have the gold leaf, which is just attached to a piece of paper. I would recommend this over the loose sheets, but we work with what we have, of course. So first I apply it, and based on how wet the base coating is, I already start to pat it a little bit, like I do here. Or if it's too wet and you feel this quite easily, I just wait for a bit, otherwise you will mess up the gold. So I start patting it lightly, just make sure that every square inch is covered, and let it dry for just a few minutes. And after that's done, you very lightly start to do this movement. What is this called? Caress, I would say. And when you caress it like this, it will become solid and it will become shiny, and you can just see it starting to look nice in front of your eyes. So this is always a very nice process. Sip of coffee. After the gold is applied, I have 2 kinds of finishes. This one, it's called activator. This one actually activates the base and the gold, and it will harden. But after this, you will see me doing it now. Actually, I apply an actual coating which is more protective and will make your gold last longer. And because my sculptures, and this one especially, is like a practical something, it's supposed to hold rings, and people are gonna put stuff on and take stuff off all the time, so I definitely want to make sure that this gold is protected. And after the gold has dried, or the finish I should say, I apply some paint. You can do whatever. I usually like the black and white. I like the hard contrast, and also I think, especially for my opinion, or my preference, I like black because it just makes it very chic when you put it somewhere, like on your nightstand or coffee table, whatever. Yeah. and I like these very geometrical lines on organic forms. You see me do this with the golden circle lady as well, which is a very curved body, but she has a perfect circle of gold on her body. I think that's very nice. Sorry for the background noise if you hear any. And there he goes. The Ringcock Golden Edition. I'm very curious what you guys think of this voiceover. What do you guys think of the filming and editing? And yeah, let me know. Thanks for watching.